To wash that damn microwave, I guess.
Microwave ain't been cleaned in 30 years. That microwave got chlamydia.
Ayo.
Microwave has syphilis.
Oh no.
Throw the whole kitchen away.
Now clean your house.
Throw the whole kitchen away. Burn it down.
Now clean your house.
Sure, why not? We all have to die eventually.
We need to know.
How are you still alive? You live in Chernobyl, that's a whole biohazard. Pretty sure that thing's got hepatitis. That microwave is crap.
Throw the whole kitchen away. Now clean